M-Fish did it again. Super nice case, but guess what? I got mine in pink. Crazy! Safe room. They are so smart. So this has the USB and the lightning. You pick it open. It has the Type-C. So you can use it however you want. You don't need any other chargers, cables, anything besides this. It's the size of my hand. Super stretchy. Oh. This is all you need. There is a orange card over here. Make sure you get it. Could be on sale, might sell out. Make sure you get yours. Perfect gift. Comes with this nice little case.